The animal cell. The animal cell is a eukaryotic cell similar to that of a plant cell. It is composed of many different organelles with each very different functions. The plant cell. The plant cell is a eukaryotic cell like the animal cell. The plant cell has a larger vacuole to store water and chloroplast to allow photosynthesis. It also has a cell wall as a protective layer for the cell. Let's go in deep and check out all of the organelles of an animal cell. The nucleus contains nearly all of the cell's DNA and with it the coded instructions for making proteins and other important molecules. It is basically the control center of the cell. The vacuoles. The vacuoles store materials like water, salt, proteins, and carbohydrates, similar to a water bottle, storing these molecules. Vesicles. Vesicles store and move materials between cell organelles, as well as to and from the cell's surface. Golgi apparatus. The Golgi apparatus modifies, sorts, and packages materials from the endoplasmic reticulum. They are stored in the cell or released outside the cell, similar to movers who help people move items into or out of a new home. The mitochondria. The mitochondria converts the chemical energy stored in food into compounds that are more convenient for the cell to use. The centrioles. The centrioles are formed from tubulins. They are located near the nucleus and help organize cell division within the cell. The cell membrane. The cell membrane regulates what enters and leaves the cell and also protects and supports the cell, similar to a security guard of a building. Lysosomes. Lysosomes are small organelles that break down lipids, carbohydrates, and protein into smaller molecules that can be used by the rest of the cell. Rough endoplasmic reticulum is endoplasmic reticulum with ribosomes. What ER does is that it assembles and moves materials from the cell, like Uber within a cell. Smooth endoplasmic reticulum is endoplasmic reticulum without ribosomes. ER assembles and moves materials from the cell. Ribosomes are small particles of RNA and proteins found throughout the cytoplasm in all cells. Prokaryotic cells are smaller and simpler cells than those compared to a eukaryotic cell. For example, a prokaryotic cell would be a cell of bacteria. This is a plant cell. A plant cell is a eukaryotic cell that has a larger vacuole, chloroplast, and a cell wall compared to that of an animal cell. A larger vacuole is needed to store water, chloroplast to allow photosynthesis, and cell wall as a protective layer for the plant cell.